By the end of this video, you're gonna learn exactly how I caught this move right here, how I was able to go to TradeSync, copy trade, and make 13 bands in one trade. You're gonna see how every single person in my Discord is getting funded, getting payouts, and making money. I'm gonna show you a live call that we did last night where every single person in the chat cooked in my VIP. I'm gonna also show you guys a little bit of how my bot works and how I can manually place trades for you without you even looking at the screen. So right here, this is where I enter the trade. You guys see I got a sniper entry coming off of the fair value gap. I told myself that once price breaks this line, I am going to break even. And I was really only trying to go for like $1,200. I wasn't trying to go for anything crazy. When I put my stop loss at break even, I typically want it to close below. Like I want the candle to close below it. I don't just want it to come down because it can wick, come back up, wick, and then shoot down to the take profit. So price continues to push. It continues to push, continues to push. We get down, I was about to manually close the position, and then it hit my TP as soon as it did it. So that was amazing. So the way that I was able to enter this trade, you guys see the arrows right here, which shows that I'm not capping, and I just showed y'all video proof. I trade from my phone. I saw that there was a higher time frame break below. You see my indicator actually marks it for us. I saw that it pushed below. It created a fair value gap before the line. I typically do not enter before the line, but on this one, I was like, let me just go ahead and get in. I entered right there, hit my TP, and look at this. It reversed. This, my friend, is a sniper entry and a sniper exit. This is a base hits market. I went for a 1 to 1.5. Not every trade is gonna be a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes you're just gonna get those base hits. That's just how it is right now. The market is very volatile, it's very crazy, and that's okay. You know what I'm saying? Like as long as you're making money and you can compound your accounts and make $13,000, I think it's okay, right? Which leads me into the next thing. My students are going completely bonkers. They're going nutty in the chat. And I just wanted to congratulate every single person that has passed the Prop Firm Challenge this week, that has been able to make money from the market using my strategy and my system. If we go to the indicator wins, you got somebody talking about it right here. You guys can pause the video and just see what people are saying about it. Even on Forex, this thing is on a 8 trade win streak, guys. This is insane. 3 for 3. This dude got funded and he made, how much did he make? He made $1,000 on his funded account for the first day. It's amazing, guys. Like, bruh, like people are really cooking with this thing, man. I'm just so honored and so grateful that I can be able to bless people like this. So what I wanted to do really quick was show a clip of our VIP call. I caught a trade on the 15-second, my students caught a trade on the 2-minute, and then we had other students catch a trade on the 3-minute. We all cooked last night, and I cannot wait for you to see this. Oh yeah, guys, it just hit the 3-minute. It's rejecting off the 3-minute. Okay, here's the secret, guys. I did not put this in the course, but this is an incredible confluence. If you have the same fair value gap, somebody take notes. If you have the same fair value gap on 3 time frames, that thing it's rejecting and going in that direction. More than not. So you see how it went to like, first of all, price right here came down after, so I won the trade on the 15-second. On the 1-minute, it got us in right here, dropped, came all the way back up for the 3-minute, and then started rejecting right here. Now, more than likely, this thing is still gonna drop. I'm gonna see what and there's a 5-minute gap. You have 4 fair value gaps all at the same place on different time frames. Typically, this thing will drop. Now, on the 1-minute, it grabbed liquidity right here already, so it doesn't really even need to go. If it goes up, price is reversing. That's just what's happening. You got liquidity right here. Price dropped significantly. So we're just gonna have to wait. All right, caught that. You guys are gonna win on this one. It's gonna be a good night. You guys win on this, I'm gonna go to sleep happy. Y'all, this is a good one right here. This is a good rejection. And we got the 5-minute close. Oh, gosh. All right, pause. Sorry. This is a good rejection right here. This is a good rejection. Who's in this trade? This is a good, come on, y'all. Come on. This is a good rejection. Who's in this? Come on, let's go. And we got new people in the chat too. Come on, y'all. Let's go. If this wins, that's another payout. Come on, get that payout. Let's get that payout. Drop. Come on. Let's get that payout. My kids fell asleep. I gotta be quiet. Come on, let's get that. Your TP hit already? My TP ain't get hit yet. All right, Maddie, some of y'all's hit. Okay, good. Some of y'all TP got hit. Anybody else TP get hit? Oh, if you traded on the 3-minute, your TP got hit. If you traded on the 3-minute, your TP got hit. If you traded on the 2-minute, didn't get hit yet. Ooh, come on, man. Come on, man. Break even, guys. If you're on the 2-minute, ooh. I'm sorry, guys. If you're on the 2-minute, break even. Just put that break even. You out? Okay. Did you get payout secured? Did we secure the payout? Come on, y'all. Etchy got the payout secured again. She got another freaking payout. Stop playing me, bruh. She just told us that she got a payout. She got another one, bruh. Stop playing me, bruh. Clap it up for Etchy, y'all. I can't celebrate too loud because my kids are asleep. Come the freak on, bro. God is good. God is good. Yeah, let the trade play out, guys. If you're on the 2 minute, just let it. Just make sure it's at break even. I don't want y'all to lose this for no reason, bro. Not if it was about to hit your TP. Don't do that. All right, look, it didn't hit your break even. It's gonna drop. It didn't hit your break even. TP, y'all. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, get it before the 5 seconds so we can say TP smash. Come on, clutch. Let's go. I can't wake my kids up. Let's freaking go. Come the freak on, bruh. Come the freak on, bruh. We ate tonight, guys. Let's go. Y'all feel good? Everybody feel good? I eat, my community eats. You hear me? That's patience. Hold them trades, dog. 2 minute with the indicators undefeated. Okay, here's the next thing that I wanted to show you because it's absolutely crazy. If you guys look right here, you see that the total day P&L is 6,560. Now, that is over the course of 7 days. And the max drawdown was $2,500. That is just one of the settings that we have. That is not the default settings. We have been beta testing this for weeks now, and this is the Breakaway Bot, which I said earlier can manually place trades for you. It is going to be a game changer for so many people. It's going to make so many people profitable. It's going to make so many people money. My goal this year is to develop 10,000 profitable traders, and I truly believe that this is going to be it for a lot of people. And if you can't afford it, the indicator is affordable. It does the same thing. The only thing that's different from the bot and the indicator is the bot places the trades for you. The indicator just sends alerts and tells you when to get in. That's what we're working on right here. So if you guys see right here, the total P&L is $11,000 and the max drawdown is $2,100. That is if you take every single trade that the alert is giving you. And this is over the course of 7 days. This is over the course of 7 days. You would have made 11 bands in 7 days. How crazy is that? So let's just say that you didn't want to do it on the 1 minute. Let's just say you wanted to do the 2 minute because you felt like the 2 minute is a little bit slower. You would have made $6,400 and the biggest drawdown that you would have had is $2,500. Again, this is over the course of 7 days. So this is what this thing is designed for. We have beta testers that have been working really, really hard. I hope this video inspired you. I hope it blessed you. I hope it brought you a little bit of clarity about your trading journey, man. I believe in you. I believe that you could do it. I believe that God is going to do incredible things in your trading journey. If you seek him, trust him, go hard, work hard, and apply the knowledge that you're learning. I forgot to mention, please check out my link tree. All of the links that I have are right here. Please don't get scammed. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I put my heart and soul in these videos, man. Come on, man. Hook your boy up, son. Just help your boy out. Nah, all jokes aside, man, please show love to all of that, man. I would love it if you could be a part of that and just join the family, y'all. If you guys want to learn a bit more about the bot, the video is going to be right here. I explain everything that you need to know regarding it, and I think it really will help you a lot. So go ahead, click that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.